lot like the people whose name she carries. She goes strong and she goes proud. Oh, I may wonder, but when I do, I will never be far from you. You're in my blood and I know you'll always be. Arkansas, you run deep in me. I may wonder, but when I do, I will never be far from you. You're in my blood and I know you'll always be. Arkansas, Arkansas, you run deep in me.
Flowers over in Roanoke, just off 100 Baptist Church.
I'm gonna come to the other side so I don't get hit. How we doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Officer Dowell, Maumelle PD. Okay, pulled you over a couple reasons. We got cars lining up behind us, and that's a 45 right there. You're going 30.
Oh.
Okay. You're good. And when I run your tag, it doesn't show you have insurance. You have insurance?
No, I don't.
All right. Let me get your license from you. And you got your registration on you? And help me out with the last name, man.
Dyer.
Dyer. Okay, sit tight for me. Anybody close to me?
Yeah, I'm by the high school. I'm headed your way.
10-4. Mama, I got a 51 when you're ready.
Stand by public service.
Here's this back, my man. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Go ahead and step out. Come talk to me for a second. Last name Dyer, David Adam Young, Edward Robert. First. No, read back. Come back here for me. How long's that open beer been back there?
Been back there for a while, probably.
Man, you gotta get that out the car.
Yes, sir.
Here, stand over here. That way you don't have to do that. I'm used to looking in the sun. You can stand right here for me, man. You haven't had anything to drink today, have you?
Last night.
Last night? Okay. Well, I don't smell it. I don't think you're impaired or anything like that, okay? I just saw that open container in there. Was it half full, half empty?
It's probably empty.
Empty? Okay, I got you. Anything else in the car? Nothing? Okay.
No weapons or anything, drugs or anything like that.
Okay, I'm not worried about that. You still live in North Little Rock?
Well, no, that's address has changed.
Okay. I'm waiting for somebody to get here, okay? I'll make sure there's nothing else in the car. If there is, you can be honest. I'm not messed up about a lot of stuff. You got nothing in your pockets, do you? Good if I check? You work up by the hotels?
No, I work at Papa John's, Maumelle.
I gotcha. What are you doing up at the hotels?
Kind of homeless.
Oh, I got you. You stay back there sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry about your situation.
Well, that's fine.
Okay.
happens.
Make sure you get that empty container out, okay? Some people would arrest you for it. I'm not going to arrest you for it. Okay. Just be aware. You get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You working anywhere right now?
Papa John's.
Oh, yeah, you said Papa John's. Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Full time?
Sorry?
Full time?
Yeah, usually 5-6 days a week.
Dang.
Yes, sir.
What, 40, 50 hours?
Yeah, he kind of keeps us under 40, so we don't have to pay the medical insurance.
That's frustrating, isn't it?
I got military, so.
I got you. Are you disabled?
Yeah. Just I can go to the VA if anything listed. If I get sick or anything.
I got you. How much you have to drink last night?
Probably 2 of them.
2 of them? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You just drink in your car?
Nah, no, that was from when we were working on the car.
Gotcha.
I don't know how long that's been in there.
Okay. But you're good with me checking, making sure there's nothing else in there?
No, you're fine. There's nothing.
Okay.
I have nothing to hide.
Okay. I appreciate it. I can tell by you don't have a record. You know, you've got nothing. So I want to make sure that's...
I don't want to go to jail.
I get that.
I apologize for going so daggone slow.
Do what?
I apologize for going so slow.
You're good. I'm just glad there's no like medical issues or anything like that.
No.
We had 4 or 5 cars behind you, and they started getting over, and I was like, okay, I'll make sure he's good.
Okay. No, I can understand.
I ain't gonna write you a ticket for it. Okay.
God on that.
No. It's Lieutenant Lester. I'm gonna have you.
Lucky. Hello.
I'm gonna have you stand with him.
It's gonna be my lucky day. Yeah, you can take it.
He just got an open beer can in there, so make sure there's nothing else in there. Yeah, we're good. Will you hit your unlock button? Your unlock button over here is not working. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's funny when you get that.
From last night?
Huh?
From last night?
A couple days ago.
It's cold.
Walking in the car all night long.
All right, man. You can have a seat. You'll get a ticket for that. Okay.
It's fun.
All right. Make sure it stays out of the car. All right.
Yes, sir.
Some people would arrest you for it, like I was telling you, but I'm not gonna do that. All right. You can have a seat. Thank you.
Last unit with traffic, I'm sorry. I was 10-6 paging fire. Can you send 9?
2, I'm back tonight.
4.
All right, man. Cut you a break where I could. Okay. Obviously, an arrestable offense. I'm not arresting you.
I don't know why.
Why I'm not arresting you?
I guess good Lord's looking over me.
Because I have discretion If you were impaired, it'd be a different story. You're not impaired. I can see that. You're very coherent. I don't smell it on you. You're not stumbling. You're not slurring your words, so I'm not arresting you for it. Okay? I wrote you a ticket for the no insurance. You got to have insurance on a car. Yeah, you got to have insurance, and you cannot have open containers in there. So if you want to try to fight those, you can. If you want to pay them, you can do that too. All that's on this, okay? And then I just wrote you a warning for the traffic, okay, for the impeding the traffic flow, okay? Make sure you're driving the speed limit, especially when there's other cars around.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Be safe. The insurance ticket may be like $190, and if you get insurance today, especially since you got the ticket, they might drop the price of it.
So what do I just call?
You can call.
Here?
Yep.
Okay.
Right there.
All right.
All right, be safe. Yep.
11, 10, 8, 2 citations, 1 morning.